Johnson Wakumagantig, Ninan Gaise Neiawea, Gaise Ojibwemwea. All of us who have had those language speakers in our lineage, we are English language learners, and it's time to use that as an advantage in the academic systems that serve our schools.
And it's really difficult to get people to understand how American Indian students who speak probably English only, who have grown up here in this country, whose families have been here for time immemorial, can qualify as English language learners.
Class of 2024 here.
I just want to try to instill some pride in them as to who they are, so they'll want to be Crow language speakers.
For us as Crow people, that's very important. That's our lifeline. And for you, Montana State University, there in Bozeman, providing the credentials for our teachers to be able to be free, to have the privilege and the freedom to bring our culture into our school. That is an awesome thing, and we appreciate that.